Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make mango bango. Okay, so it's a dessert. So these are all the ingredients. Purple cream, condensed milk, and this one mango. Ako nagipure ga, gibutan ako sa blender. Okay, mao ni siya 1 little bottle of kaong and nata di coco. And then mao ni siya ang 5 ka mangga kay unom ka buka to kinahanglan nun, so we need 6. Ang usa gipure na, okay? And then guys, we're gonna do it like this. Into cubes. Para itan o baso. Okay, like that. Mana kog slice ang mangga. So, karon mag-mix ta sa iya sagol uban. Okay, so kuan all-purpose cream, milk, ana sa lang guys kay ato sa tanawon kung unsa ka tamis-sa kay dili kay ko ganahan og tamis. And then we gonna add the puree. Guys. Yummy na. And kaong. So I drain it earlier but tubigon man guning nata, so ato na pud siya i-drain na pud nato balik. Okay, ato ni kwaon. So mao ni atong mango bango ibamba humot kay yang mangga lami ni siya mangga ha. Okay, mango bango, it's done. So humana ni siya guys. So ang kuan lang ani kay ato pa ni siya i-refrigerate or ibutang sa chiller para mo kuan siya guys, mo sticky a little bit mo. Okay? That's our mango bango. It's super yummy. So this is our mango bango. It's done. So we gonna chill it. Okay guys, so ato ni siya takuban. Kay ato ni siyang i-chill. Para mo samot siya kalami guys, mo absorb ang gatas, Nestle cream. Okay? So mao na ni siya guys. Okay, so our mango bango, ato ni siya i-chill sa chiller. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. And if you please hit like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. We're gonna put in the chiller. Okay guys, it's here. Okay. So this is it. It's chilled already guys. So now, it's super yummy na guys. Oh, Nga, it's already chilled. Okay, look at that one. It's mango bango. It's super yummy. Thank you for watching, guys.